Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 7x14 Gooseneck Equipment I-beam trailer. This trailer comes with your 8-inch I-beam strong frame, as well as two heavy-duty 12,000-pound jacks. We have our gooseneck at the very front with our safety chains. This trailer does have a front basket at your jacks, as well as tie-down points and stake pockets along the side of your trailer. There is pressure-treated wood flooring on this equipment trailer, as well as two 7,000-pound Dexter axles. This trailer does have a dovetail, as well as fully wired LED brake lights. Our axles are sitting on 16-inch wheels and rims. There is also 5-foot stand-up loading ramps on this dovetail trailer. You have tie-down points at the back of your dovetail as well as the front. Once again, this is a 7x14 Gooseneck Equipment I-beam trailer. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.